Assalamu alaikum dear student, my name is Abdul Mateen. Welcome to my YouTube channel BIO-TeC. This is my new video of introduction. Welcome to my new video. So please subscribe my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. My name is Abdul Mateen. I am from Pakistan. I live in province of Sindh and city of Shikarpur. The city name is Mailadinpur Shikarpur. I am also teaching in the Victor Public School. It is located in the Hathidar. I am also teaching class 7, class 9, class mating. I am also teaching to the 30 plus students which are present in class 7, class 9, class matric. There are 13 students in class 9, there are 8 students class. There are 8 students, please, sorry, class. There are 8 students class 9th, there are 13 students class matric, and there are 14 students class 7th. Please, I am teaching also biology subject, English subject, and other subject. Please choose to me to learn this subject. This is the best way to learn this subject. I will hope you will learn from this way. You will learn from me. I will hope, inshallah, I will teach you very well. Please cooperate with me. Thank you so much.